So in question 10, we're told to consider this function. We need to sketch the graph of y equals f of x on this graph. So what we can do is go into our calculator and open a graph, and we can simply put this function in. It will be times root 3 minus x squared. So as you can see, we have this nice little function here. We could even zoom in to the zoom that the question has this template given to us. The y min is minus 3. This is 3. Okay. So what we can do here is, well, we'll zoom in a little bit, maybe even more. But what we can see here is that this is the general shape. We know where it's going to start. It'll start at minus root 3 and positive root 3. What we could also do is find the maximum and the minimum. So the maximum will be over here. And, well, this is an odd function, so the minimum will be reflected. So we could calculate it already, but we could just use this as well. We can see it just reflected on about the origin. And so what we can still do is perhaps zoom in a little bit more to that right side of the graph. So if we, let's say, zoom into here, we can see that it indeed comes down properly, unlike how it seems to have plotted it to start with. Interesting. So what we simply need to do is plot it. So we know it's going to go through 0, 0. We know it's going to be, we know root 3 is somewhere over here and over here. And we know the maximum points were at 1.2 and 1.5. So that's about here and about here. So we can just draw a smooth little curve through these points.